first fish.
There we go. Nice little brownie.
Nice fish.
Nothing crazy.
Oh, good one. Smoked the nymph. Oh. Yeah, dude, could you net this? Dude. Oh, yes. That's one of my best brown trout, for sure. And he just came up and sipped that nymph. Yeah, right in the corner there. Look at that. That is so cool. My first Colorado brown. So jacked right now. All right, sweetie. Ready to go. Just like that. Yes. Awesome.
Hell yeah.
And that was on the True Fly little red midge. Oh, dude! Beautiful, beautiful rainbow. Blind in one eye. Oh, and off he goes. All right, cool. There we go. Off he goes. There it is. Yeah. Beautiful.
Sweet. Oh, snake's back.
Oh, what's up, dude? He looks ridiculous. It's like, oh, hey guys, how's it going? I didn't see it. It just sipped. I have no idea how big this fish is. No idea. Alright, bro, trade spot for me. That's up there. That's not a bad thing.
You know if you need a hand netting.
That was all the way up by the river. Past the rock up to the river. Yeah, dude. That's a beautiful one. Beautiful brown trout. Oh my god, I can't even believe this, man. Oh, yeah, this fishing is ridiculous. Yeah, man. How long do you think our walk back is? Like 20 minutes. 29, 20 minutes. Oh, what? Yes. 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 Dude, that's a pretty good one.
Yeah, I'll take it.
That's definitely a good one.
Yes, sir.
Did we end on those two?
Oh. Hey, let me get this. Oh, that's a big boy.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Is that a rainbow?
No, that's not.
Come on. Oh, oh. Yes, sir.
Wasn't coming off, I guess.
Back into the run.
Oh, big! Oh. Oh. No, you're good, dude. You're good. Oh my God, you gotta fish this run, dude. There are tanks. There are tanks. Yeah, this is insane. Oh my God, yes! This is nutty, bro. Off he goes, dude. Oh my God.